Kuble pi baro, ipdiang sabai pi chakani ke jinghikai, kalor ka mensuration in GeoGebra. Hakani jinghikai, in pule kumno banwad yaka, area but perimeter jongka rhombus, surface area jongka sphere but cone, volume jongka sphere but cone. Ithra be philadon, yaka jingtip kumno ka GeoGebra ka tekam. Haka banta ke jinghikai be de, haka GeoGebra, dengan balik haka website jongi. Ban record ikani jinghikai, kapandon kam daka Ubuntu Linux OS version 11.10, GeoGebra version 3.2.47. In pandan kam daki GeoGebra tools ki baharum. Segment between 2 points, circle with center and radius, ellipse, polygon, new point, but insert text. Tung in play yaka GeoGebra window ko pathamai. Click dash home, but media apps, Hapot type, JED, education and GeoGebra. Tung in wad yaka area jongka rhombus. Tung in pandan kam daka file quadrilateral.ggb jongka jinghikai ka bala depth. Click ha file, open, click ha quadrilateral.ggb. Click ha open. Ka area jongka rhombus is equal to half the product of diagonals. Ban pani yaka, click ha insert text tool, click ha drawing pad, ka text box, ka play. Play ki double quotes, type area of the rhombus is equal to khang ki double quotes plus nabanta ban pani so, play ki brackets, type 1/2 space f space g, khang ki bracket f but g ki diagonals jongka rhombus. Click OK. Ka area jongka rhombus lapani yang ni au drawing pad. Ka babot tung in wadi ka perimeter. Click ha insert text tool, click ha drawing pad ka text box ka play. Play ki double quotes, type perimeter of the rhombus is equal to khang ki double quotes plus play ki brackets 4 space a khang ki bracket a udayu side jongka rhombus. Click OK. Ka perimeter jongka rhombus lapani yang ni au drawing pad. To mentang in save ya ka file. Click ha ka file but save as. Dan type ya ka file name kum ka rhombus area perimeter. Click ha save. Kum ka assignment na kwa ip banwad ya ka area but perimeter jongka trapezium. Pandan kam daka output jongka file cons trapezium.ggb. Rename ya ka object g show b. Formula na banta ka area is equal to half sum of parallel sides into vertical height is equal to a plus b by 2 into h. Formula na banta ka perimeter is equal to sum of the sides is equal to a plus b plus c plus d. Ka output jongka assignment ka diban long kumne. Tung in play ka GeoGebra window ka bathamai ban draw ka sphere. Click ha file, new, click ha circle with center and radius tool, no toolbar. Click ha drawing pad, point A, ka text box ka play. Throw your value to na banta ka radius. Click OK. Ka circle mat ka center A but radius 2 cm ka draw. Jet new point tool, no toolbar, mark your point B, ha circumference jongka circle. Jet segment between 2 points tool, penyeso iki points A but B kum ka radius jongka circle. Tung in draw yaka ellipse C D E hapo ka horizontal direction ban kata yaka circumference jongka circle. Click ha ellipse tool, mark yaki points C but D diagonally ni bapampun kyang marpersha way away ha circumference. Badu point balai ui hapo ka circle. Hang ni yaka sphere la draw. Tomantang in wat yaka surface area jongka sphere. Click haki insert text tool. Click how drawing pad ka text box ka play. Ngwa wat your special characters hapo ka drop down list hapo ka text box scroll share ban wat your pi. Play ki double quotes. Type surface area of the sphere is equal to khang ki double quotes plus play ki bracket 4 space z pi nakali space a z square nakali khang ki bracket. Click OK. Ka surface area jong ka sphere lapani yang ni. Tungan klik haka ba drag yaka ban bo yaka harum. Ka babot tungan wat yaka volume. Click haka insert text tool. Click how drawing pad ka text box ka play. Play ki double quotes. Type volume of the sphere is equal to khang ki double quote plus play ki bracket 4/3 space z pi nakalis space a z cube nakalis khang ki bracket. Click OK. Ka volume jong ka sphere lapani yang ni. Tongin click haka ba drag yaka ban bo yaka harum. Ka babot tongin draw yaka cone. Click haka polygon tool. Click haki points C, D, but ka external point F, but C, sashisian. J segments between 2 points tool penyeso yaki points F, but A, niyo yaka height jong ka cone. Tongan rename your object B, show H, kapapani yaka height ni jingjrong jong ka cone. Right click how object B, click ha rename, bujili yaw B, daw H, click OK. Tungan rename ro yaw object C1 show S kabapani yaka slant height jong ka cone. Right click how object C1 click ha rename bujili yaw C1 dao S click OK. Tomanta in wat yaka surface area but volume jong ka cone. Nilaban pandan kam daki insert text tool na toolbar lani nilaban pandan kam daw input bar and pandan kam daw input bar. Singba wat your special characters or drop down list jong input bar scroll sharum ban wat your pi. Type hapo input bar surface area is equal to play ki brackets z pi nakalis space a space s plus z pi nakalis space a z square nakalis khang ki bracket nyon enter. The surface area jong ka cone lapani hapo ka algebra view. Singbakan mau habangi pandan kam do input bar ka jubab ka pau hapo ka algebra view. Tungin wat ka volume. Volume is equal to play ki bracket 1/3 space z pi nakalis space a z square nakalis space h khang ki bracket nyon enter. Ka volume jong ka cone ka pa hang ni hapo ka algebra view. Tomanta in save ka file. Click ha file save as and type ka file name kum sphere cone. Click ha save. Takani ni poish ko bakut jong kani ki jehi kai. Tungin bantai langkot. Hapo kani ki jehi kai nila de puli ban wat jaka area but perimeter jong ka rhombus surface area jong ka sphere but cone volume jong ka sphere but cone nila de puli ro ban draw jaka sphere but cone. Kumka assignment nakwa ep bapin wat yaka surface area but volume jong ka cylinder. Draw artillery ki ellipses kawai ka jo ka size kawai hapo kawai. Penyeso yaki edges jong ka ellipses. Pandan kam daka center tool wat yaka center jong kawai ka ellipse. Penyesno yaka center but edge. Rename your object B show H but E show R. Surface area is equal to 2 pi R into R plus H. Volume is equal to pi R square H. Output jong assignment ke depan long kumne. Page ka video kapala banyo nakani ka URL. Kapatailan kot ya ka spoken tutorial project. Ada pimdan ya ka bandwidth ka babiang. Phila ban download pat page ka. Ka spoken tutorial project team kapan long ya ki workshop ta ka bapandan kam da ki spoken tutorial. Ka certificate shakitu ki papas ha ka online test. Ya ki jing tip bakambnya sing baban tho shaka contact@spoken-tutorial.org. A spoken tutorial project kada shibanta jong ka talk to a teacher project. La kashan ka da National Mission on Education ng baga ICT MHRD soccer jong ka India. Ya ki jing tip ki bakamnya halo kani ka mission laban yo na kani ka link. Lapan kalai kani ka script dari ribajana wankar signing off kubli bapila isnok tilang.